Hello everyone. Did you try that toothbrush technique? How did it work for you? Did you notice the awareness? I'm sure you did. And do let me know in the comment section also. Today I'm here in front of you to help you understand that self-awareness is not only about raising the spirituality or the non-materialistic things, while these two are also very important for us. At the same time, raising the self-awareness is equally important for having a materialistic success. Success in your career, success in your profession, success in your business, it requires self awareness. How? Right? A valid question. So, how means with self awareness, you become aware of your strengths. So, you can further strengthen them. You become aware of your weaknesses, so you can transform them into your strengths by working on them. You get to know about potential conflicts, the risk of conflicts that can happen between you and the other person, so you can maintain your dignity and grace accordingly and deal with them accordingly, and much more than this. So, don't you think that this is what is actually required for any person, any individual to live a successful materialistic life as well, right? So, with this, I'm going to share with you a technique, a beautiful, powerful, impactful, influential technique that is known as 3-column technique. In this, you create 3 columns. The first column is designated to situation. Any situation that have made you feel a very strong emotion, that will come under the situation column. The second column will be the column of emotion. So emotion, name the emotion. What emotion did you feel? Angry, frustrated, irritated, jealous, insecurity, whatever. So write that down under the section of or the column of emotions. Third one is very powerful. It's the column of reflection. Over there, you reflect and you write down what triggered this emotion in you. What happened because of which you felt like that? What did you do after you felt that emotion? How did you react? What was your body language? What was your tone? What was your facial expression? And what are you going to do differently next time? So once you do this, make it a part of your journaling, and once you start practicing it, you will realize some deeper insights about yourself. And in order to regulate yourself, in order to regulate your emotions, self-awareness is required. And this 3-column technique is going to help you immensely. Try it out. Let me know how it works wonders for you, because it has to work wonders for you. There is no other option around it. Okay, I'll be waiting for your response. And till then, keep on practicing whatever I have shared with you. Follow me for more tips and techniques around here. And I'll see you soon with some other technique. Take care. Have a great day ahead.